Gana makuru, Gavumenti kurabira mu kitongole ky'ebyenkura y'abantu n'emirimo bakwatanise n'ekitongole kya ENABEL Uganda baatongozaho enteekateeka y'okurwanirira obugabe bw'abantu omu by'emirimo y'obushuubuzi.
The due diligence they are talking about when Europe says you should do human rights impact assessment before exporting raw materials here is because they have realized that it is the most vulnerable area. Coffee is labor intensive. Agriculture is labor intensive. Theirs is a given that when they do kettles, they bring watches. Do you have the capacity to go to see how they are making the watches?
We also have workplace violations. When she asked how many of us who have house helps have issued contracts to our house helps, many of us are very sure we are guilty. If not, even the speaker would be guilty. I'm not sure. I think we need also to improve on this, but also we need to minimize or eliminate as much as we can discrimination and sexual harassment at the workplace.
Peace nantume kurwa mu kitongole kya ENABEL nagira ngu enteekateeka egi neeza kumara emyaka 3 erikuranzyaho by'obugabe bw'abakazi hamwe n'abaana omu by'obuhingi eby'obugiiga bw'omu itaka hamwe n'ebindi.
Twagala n'okuyambako businesses okumanya eddembe ly'omuntu kyekitegeeza n'engeri gye balina okukuumamu eddembe ly'obuntu nga bakola ebyenfuna byabwe, era twagala n'okuyambako abantu aba bulijjo mutegeere eddembe kyeki bwe tujja mu byenfuna.
You cry as if it is at the day of Lumumba being taken to Belgium, like independence. It hasn't changed the mentality of exploiting the resources amidst the people who are very poor. It's still there. But this is the century that His Excellency the President is connecting now the roads across. He's saying we go up to Central African Republic, unite to connect infrastructure for purposes of connecting the people.
Emikoro y'okutongozaho enteekateeka egi yakorwa aha Kabale Resort Hotel omu rurembo rwa Hoima. Aha bwa TV West ndi Era Akiza na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.